Foster Bhreatain TusaTube ach tá meise lom hain, níl dinner bí lom, níl éidean lom, Tommy lom hain So tá meise ní go higgin Bhreatain agus Eisteddfod agus féileán agus hiama gnéan se fi sin mai agus hetan go mé éidir nahfuil sí linn a tá meise chun éireachta dhéananig fi sin mai fan TusaTube dhéananig. Na bhfuil? Tá muid leo agus Dú dear an waid in it. So gacin waid tá muid anna trí gléir agus an sin bé muid Bhreatain
Batman ar siil?
Agus tá Batman ar siil. Tá muid trú fásta fi sin. Agus an sin bé muid Bhreatain agus bé muid an an siil hart ar an ilas anrod agus tá siil go mór leis. Sé ro bugí for dearhin gohfuil is muna uirchaig fan go bhíonar an wat? What? Yeah.
Siam an sinna?
Yeah, sin an siúr but gacin siúr.
Alright, great.
Bhád le go se. But ná bhád bhád Johns. Gáte. Tá pobl slugin hús? Agus an dram dearg le fecalir. Agus tá muid a camplan san et seo Kim Daifis. Agus seo an 18 ur, so 18 ur, tí mar bhain tú faoin et campla seo?
An muid na tube in it.
Hey!
Muid na tube?
Seo fáilte go dtí muid na tube, is ná go tú an seo 18. Inniu ba music léirt faoi canny. She's níos liú an seo, a fucking spotty ar hú. What the fuck? Come an galar ar hú.
Let's go!
Jen Kirsch, he's early here in Tree Falcon.
So bhí na slúte ann ag na fisir fudna háite agus fisgur Bheag agus grammar spéisií leirling
Bhíon farsin an bhí muid just a siúil ag cantíine agus státe muid or státe me sé agus thoiste lur Spanish and I was like, oh god, and then Lord Berlum started oh, what language do you speak? And I was like, Irish. Like started saying, oh, I've only ever heard that on the radio. Isn't you need to orna G? Woo! It's just as chill hard to go on an urd stuff on agus stálí agus mar sin agus nerd grippy te Jenny stuff and shaw I guess feel her te sort of leirshi go array ag daoibhse ag gnne an realtish so it's much consolation I guess just a chill hard te nesha just jaw Greta I guess Anya lurch martinish so mar sin new take a meet to mention New Year's Gary, so ta rate into on ta stuff for nose pizza, paella,
Pizza!
Pizza!
my collecting it oh shit, okay, pizza.
She was scared.
Brown pizza.
He's looking rare.
How on pizza?
Sure.
Give her on. Land mesh it on pizza.
I think I'll show Gary pizza. Eisteddfod? Eisteddfod. Eisteddfod. Tá cangel eels aige. Yes, I'm just going to chill around and chill inis. Tá chuir smúd an stuff inis sort dúnta, tá instant mice é hain. So much on sort chill free jahanrod chill rash I guess our ski like inch extension go like poker manacht. Go for it.
1 second.
Shot it.
Yeah.
Spread it around your mouth. Spread it around your mouth. Grand.
Potting McCullough.
It's actually quite nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Cheers to the freaking weekend.
Keep it, I'm just in retrograde.
How much rasherish, Bheag, jaw.
How much in shopper?
Right.
Can I much diet punt? Can I much pate? Can I much Jane tell you your
Baseball. Yeah.
I guess there more stuff.
On shit show multi-degree buzz it all like fail a kill.
Baseball.
Natural colours and flavours, motherfucker.
Natural colours and flavours, very nice. So nice. Shinar back my crust fizzballs. I guess how much really go rashik and mice? Yes.
Ta.
Mice.
Ravelod.
The balls earn. Tá raveloaded choc. That's such a choc. A worm. Leroy Bugger on the shukra. Salor. The dahan and nodra.
Yeah, into nodra. Galanta. Yeah, no, I guess ta and spare a tossa go gorm. Oh, I got it. So a could you say? Michelle gorm. Special galanta.
Ik paint a like it.
Oh, I guess the shot go my to is pro me.
Pro who to she didn't have Essigor
Essigor Schmai. Let's go, Maya.
Patriarchy.
Ready.
Oligarchy.
Ready?
Aim it at you.
Cheers.
Maya he.
Maya ha.
Maya ho.
Maya ha.
The shot who fancy. Or where that mini and mangum shot to Johnny?
Oh, you can hold your shins to the spine.
So it's Fiend Jarg, I guess Pepsi, I guess King Time sir?
Cali mucho.
Kenny what?
Cali mucho.
Cali mucho.
Cali mucho.
And maybe to get grow Nisha Ray with your Namaska. Yeah.
Maya.
Near Pillow May Real. And was she actually Jocks?
No.
No?
Evo.
Okay.
Oh my god. Fact.
Oh, Jocks.
Look at the reaction on the Irish woman's face.
Shot glassry, actual glassry. With Legia.
Agus Rish.
Yeah. But actual glassry. What?
Sunny PJ.
Shmai 18 Tá Bhreatain tú well an seo. Dwindid a weredan we dim insurad Kimraig.
Maya, would you like to say hello to 18?
Hi.
Hi 18.
Come here next time, next day.
Yeah, because so next year we're going to come back and 18's going to be with me. Just aber hello to 18.
18 can with hat too.
Mar sugah táid again Eisteddfod. Deacairm é seo a réit go bhfuil. So when rud faoin Eisteddfod ná sprág sé an tuirtas na blianta hen, like bitter kid fi blianta hen. Sprág sé daoine chun an tuirtas hosting. And there's swinching to feet Eisteddfod an tuirtas omlan éagsúil na chéile. So certain córa lánana atá oginne agus mu an seo ná go sé go deochail an Jenny chun an tuirtas síana níos fearr agus chu an originally ag tá an féile seo dá réite mai. Se costa EP masculine an tuirtas masculine comórtas pelle níos go atá sé ionta agus tá sílam ghfuil go dúir ceachna go deochail an tuirtas fulam wa Eisteddfod. Atá sé ionta chuirt an urid solta. Maya, What's she called?
Alice Williams.
Alice.
Hey, Samai!
Upper Slan.
Come as Gary Slan agus instead. Eisteddfod.
Eisteddfod to much call a ratchet yard.
Sé. Agus jazz. Agus sin go léirí in quarter boy charn. Rid ruddy tá go ré.
Bhí sé inta.
An ruddy go ré nach gon in léirí ar me lá. Mar níl nach J Vero agus cáward.
So San leis na Eisteddfod. Bhí sé inta. Dá ratchet. Agus what?
Banacht.
Banacht. Bhí sé inta.